Sup tech nerds, Lottie here again. It's Monday morning and we are preparing everything to go into town. We are not happy for a number of reasons, which I will get into right now. The good news, so we've pulled everything off the crank and, we've pulled the crank out of the block. So we are going to get these removed because they're so brittle. No matter what we try and do, they are not coming out. So we'll leave it to someone who has the correct tooling. There's another one there and another one there. So this is going into the engineering shop to get cleaned up. Now the crank, it looks really good, except it's not. So we've just pulled off the end caps, and that, my dear viewers, is why it's getting sent in to get cleaned. It is horrendous. So you can't have that. These are the little oil galleries that run through the whole crank and engine. If any of these are blocked up, so you can see the little holes there, if they're blocked up, the engine doesn't get lubricated, and then you have problems. So not happy with that. We've been running through all of this too. It looks like quite a good engine, but it has been sort of rushed. So if we look down at this end, there we go. You can see someone's over-tightened the tappets, and that's worn them right down. Beyond that, the engine does actually look like it has been overhauled and not that many miles on the clock. But yeah, just rushed in some bits. So yeah, not happy about that. We've paired all these up, so they're nice and good. And here's all the end caps that we pulled out. So again, you can see all of the gunk that's actually been inside the engine. It is awful, and you don't want it in your engine. So we will sort that out. Also, more nonsense. The IR spotlight. We got a bit of glass cut for it. This is the original lens. So it's actually really quite cool. It's, don't know if you can really see. I'll try and turn the light off. Yeah, it's probably better on the other side. No, you can't really see it. It's actually got a layer of what appears to be woven IR glass, like fiberglass, sort of woven into it, which is really cool. But this is the IR lens. We also wanted a clear bit of glass cut so we can replace it and use it as a standard sort of spotlight, when we don't have all the IR systems set up. The problem is, and you really think it wouldn't be that hard, whoever they got to cut it too big so it doesn't fit. So yeah, we now have to go into town and get that cut back up to size. Not happy about that. So that's... Isn't that right, Peter? It's hard to find good help. You, of course, know about the fan belts, which are in here. These are the ones that we want. Do you think we got 6 of the exact same size? No, we didn't. So, yep. We go back again for that and sort all that nonsense out. Just really not happy with the quality of work coming out of town at the moment. But we shop around, we try and find all the right people. Beyond that, we really shouldn't complain too much because everything is going pretty well. We managed to extract the crank without too much difficulty. There is oil in it, which is also good, but there's just so much crap in those little caps. So yeah, we'll sort that out. What else? Oh, we have been noticing on some of the pistons, the conrods here, it looks as if there has been wearing. Because to our reckoning, these valleys should go all the way around, but they seem to stop right at the zenith in the bottom of these. So whether or not that's just wear or lack of oil, we're not sure, but we're going to have a closer look at these in the close future, because you can see on these ones they go all the way around. When it focuses, there we go, they go all the way around. So yeah, we'll have a look at that. So yeah, this is a pretty short video, but that is where we're at the moment. I believe once we send everything into town, I am going to begin the gunnery on the Centurion. We've also started to get into the Christmas mood. We've got penguins out, proper Australian penguins. Cool. Yeah, that is our quick Monday morning update, and we will see you on the next one. So hit like and subscribe, ask questions. I love answering the questions. It just focuses me a lot better rather than just these ramblings that people seem to enjoy. So like and subscribe, send a nice little comment, preferably a question. I don't really care. And I will try and answer them as best I can. See you on the next one. Bye.